just know the nectar sources in your area. So as a beekeeper, look, you're going to become a weatherman, a meteorologist, because you're going to always be looking at the forecast and the weather. You're going to become somewhat of a geographer, because you're going to know and learn the terrain and the environment in your area. I'm telling you, when you start beekeeping, these bees become like your children, like your babies. You're always thinking about them. You're always wondering what they're doing. You're wondering, I wonder what flowers they can get their nectar and pollen from, In truth, when you become a beekeeper, it's almost like you are practicing your godship. Did you hear me? See, we are placed here as humans to be stewards of God's creation. So we have to help foster his creation, the insect life, plant, animals, insect life. And so since bees are struggling, and since we need them for our livelihood, it behooves us as humans to, in some way or another, get involved in beekeeping, whether you are a beekeeper yourself, or if you are just providing, planting flowers and things like that in your neighborhood to make sure that the bees and pollinators have a good nectar source. So beekeeping will change a brother.